crazy stuff. Oh my god. So right now I'm gonna do the ice bath in the cooler. So I don't know really how cold it is, but we have here probably 4 bags of ice. We'll see. Wish me good luck. Okay, that's not my bad. We put like what? 4 bags of ice? Oh, okay. It's good.
Then you really submerge when you're ready.
That feels crazy. Okay, it's good. It's not that bad. So shoulders underwater.
Yeah.
Slowly. Okay. Sensations like. Okay, so feet are cold, hands are cold, like you can really feel. The rest of it is cool. Huh? I'm from the European country, so don't worry. The cold is good. Feels nice. Alright, so 10 minutes. Oh, that was refreshing.
That's good.
That was good. Okay, so I finished with my first ice bath. It was really good, amazing 10 minutes. Now I'm just standing on the sun. I'm gonna change my clothes, heat it up, and then we'll do some yoga just to get some body movements again. Awesome experience.